Hey everyone, for this video I will show you how to make a Gantt chart in your Lucidchart. First, log into your account. Once in, you can click on Gantt chart, but if you want more templates, go to it, then search for Gantt chart. Here it will show you all the templates of Gantt charts that you can choose from. Click on one and select use. Here you can type a name for this board, and you can also invite teammates. Then click Done. Now on the left toolbar, if you want your chart to be on the center, click on Pan and drag it. Then click again on the cursor and click Select. Now you can type in a name for the Gantt chart. You can also change the fonts. Also, you can make it bold, italic, or underline it, and also change the size of the text. Now, you can add tasks, type your task, and you can also make it bold. Now, as you can see here, we have week 1 up to week 4. You can change it into days if you want, like Monday, Tuesday, and such. And if you add another column, you can do that. Just drag in your page and click on the previous column. Then on the toolbar, click on Insert, right or left. I will choose on Insert right. You can add another one depending on the weeks or days of your Gantt chart. You can also delete a column by clicking on that column and choose Delete. Now type in a month, type in also weeks or days. Now we will merge these columns. Just click on the first cell that you want to merge, then hold on Shift on your keyboard and click on all the cells that you want to merge. Now click on the merge option on the upper part, and it is now done. Going back, you can click on an element that indicates the progress of your task. You can drag it to accommodate your task, and you can also add another one. Just click on Shapes, then choose a shape for it, and add it to your chart. Now it can indicate that the colored part is done and the transparent one is still in progress. Now for it to look better, you can click on the colored element, click on Arrange and bring it to front. As you can see, it is now better. Then you can drag the transparent one longer if you want. And in here, you can see a dependency line. I will show you how to do that. Click on an element, then drag the arrow button to another element, and they will be connected by a dependency line. You can also change the width of that line and the endpoint size. Also, the endpoint appearance. After that, you can add a milestone element. This diamond is the milestone element. Click on Shapes on the left toolbar, then click on Diamond. You can fill it with color. Just click on Fill Color and choose one that you want. You can also change the line color of it and also make it bigger or smaller. Now you have a milestone element that you can drag on the end of your taskbar. You can also connect it with the taskbar. Once done, you can share this Gantt chart. Just click on the share button on the upper right corner, then add the people that you want to share it with. Then if you want to download it, go to this three bar on the upper left part, then click export. Here you can export it according to the format that you want. And that's it. That's how you make a Gantt chart in Lucidchart. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.